Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll make a super healthy breakfast cum snack option which is packed with nutrients. You guessed it right, it's granola. It is so versatile, you can enjoy it in so many forms. You can add milk to it and eat it as a cereal for breakfast. You could use it as a topping for your fruit salad, smoothies and yogurt. Toss it with oatmeal for a crunchy twist. Make granola bars and pack it for snacking when going outdoors. Yes, it is that versatile. Let's see how it's made. Here are the ingredients which we'll use. I have taken about 2 cups of oats. Now these are the instant variety, but if you have access to old-fashioned whole oats, please go for them as they give the best results. Here are some pumpkin seeds, some sunflower seeds, some nuts. Now these are assorted and I've kept them in the same bowl. There are almonds, walnuts, cashews and pistachios, about half cup in total. Some golden raisins, dried and sweetened cranberries. Now these give amazing flavor, so please don't skip them. Here is about 1/4 cup of homemade ghee. Now I prefer to add ghee over oil. Also, if you want to know how I make my ghee at home, please let me know and I'll post a video for that as well. The next is honey. I've taken about 4 tablespoons of it. Some chia seeds. Now these are highly nutritious, full of antioxidants and very good for your gut health. Along with that, I have taken brown sugar. You can totally skip it and instead add some more honey to it. Also, if you are vegan, you can replace the ghee with oil and honey with maple syrup or agave syrup. Please don't get overwhelmed with all these ingredients. You can add, replace or remove them based on your choice and availability. Let's proceed. We'll start by adding all the dry ingredients together. First we'll add oats. To this, I'll add all the seeds. Here goes sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and the dried nuts. Now if you have pre-roasted variety of nuts, don't add them just yet. Add them at a later stage. Now we'll mix everything together. Feel free to use your hands if you want to. In the next step, we'll add some sugar. Now you can add it as per your liking. If you don't want it too sweet, don't add too much of it. Next, what I have here is honey, to which I'll be adding some ghee and mix it thoroughly. This ghee is at room temperature. You can melt the ghee before using it. As I told earlier, if you're vegan, please replace the ghee with oil of your choice and honey with maple syrup or agave syrup. We'll add it to our dry mixture and mix it thoroughly until it gets coated properly. As part of the next step, I have lined this baking tray with parchment paper and here I am transferring this mixture onto it. Try and spread the mixture as evenly as you can. I'll place it in the oven which is already preheated at 175 degrees Celsius. After every 10 minutes, we'll be taking it out from the oven and mixing it again. We'll repeat this procedure until we get nice, crisp, golden brown mixture that is roasted from all the sides. As you can see here that the nuts in it are properly roasted and it looks perfect. To this, we'll now add our chia seeds, raisins and cranberries. If you have pre-roasted nuts, this is the time you add them. We'll mix everything together and allow it to cool down completely, after which we'll transfer it to an airtight container. Isn't it better to just make your own fresh cereal instead of buying it from the stores? In this way, you can actually monitor what goes inside it. You can add your favorite ingredient and skip what you don't like. Totally customizable, isn't it? I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. Please comment and let me know. Also, please hit the like button, share it with your family and friends and subscribe to my channel to watch more of such content. I'll see you in my next one. Bye-bye.